let's quickly move on to the next design pattern we are going to discuss about, which is the factory method design pattern. If you look at the definition of factory method, it says create a family of object types. So let's quickly look at an example. Factory method is not complex, so just look at an example. We should be able to understand it very quickly. So here we have a person factory method. What we are doing, not a method, actually person factory class. So this person factory has a static method get person, and this accepts gender as one of the inputs. So if you pass in M, it returns a class of type male, and if you pass in F, it returns a class of type female. But as far as the classes which use this person factory are concerned, the only thing they know about is person. So if somebody wants to create a male person, what they do is they say person male is equal to person factory dot get person, and they pass in M. And to create female, they would pass in F. So basically, they would pass some identifier of the type of the object that you would want to create, but they would still be referring to the generic type. So we have a person and male extending person and female extending person. The fact that there are male and female objects existing are hidden behind the implementation of the factory method pattern. So whoever is using this particular factory only knows about person, but they don't really know about the existence of a male or a female class. The benefit the factory method pattern offers now is the fact that you can add additional types of genders or additional types in here without affecting whoever is using it. So whoever is using it is only using person, so they don't really care about whether male, female, or whatever. You can have different implementations for the same methods in those objects as well. So if you look at the get salutation, you have written Mr. here. Here it is Miss or Mrs. So based on whether it's a male or female, if you call the get salutation, you'd get a different thing. So that's basically the benefit of the factory method pattern. What it hides is the complexity in creating an object. So instead of somebody else deciding whether you have to create a male or female, we have a factory making the decision for us, and at a later point in time, whenever we want to modify this, it becomes really easy. So that's the factory method pattern.
Thanks for joining more than 1 million students who are learning from us. At In 28 Minutes, we defined a learning roadmap for Java and front-end developers. We created more than 25 courses covering all the topics that you are seeing on the screens. There are 4 things you can do to make best use of these courses. Number 1 is Udemy. You'll find a link in the description of the video to our Udemy profile. We are teaching a lot of courses on Udemy and most of them are free. Number 2, visit our website www.in28minutes.com. You'd find tons of information including how you can register for our trainings and the link to Udemy and our GitHub code as well. Number 3, visit our GitHub repository. With more than 20 repositories covering varied examples, it's a comprehensive source of information and code. Last but not the least, you'll find a set of discount codes for all our Udemy courses in the description as well. Feel free to use them. Good luck from the team here at In 28 Minutes, your destination for high quality step-by-step courses.